Hey there guys, it's Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we're going to be doing a whole lot of stuff at this house, which is awesome. We're doing first of all, we're going to start off with a gutter cleaning and then do a solar panel cleaning. Actually, no, I lied. Gutter cleaning, then roof cleaning. Sorry, this isn't in the guy's eyes. Just trying to set this up. Gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, then solar panel cleaning. Got this lead off of Google Ads. The guy was shopping around for different companies. Said we were the highest bid, but through all of our pictures, video demonstrations, and the quality of our service alone, he said that he feels more comfortable going with us than anybody else. And he wants to get it done right the first time. And that's what we do. Quality and perfection is our core value. And that's why we charge so high, but we get the best results. So that's going to be a one-story house with full-length gutters, meaning there's gutters around every asset of or facet of this property. Get the gloves, make sure you get the PPE. Yeah, so it's gonna be Spanish-style roofs. Right here is gonna be where most of the algae, moss, and mildew are gonna be. Then we have gutters as well, and the solar panel cleanings. I believe they have 18 panels. It's gonna be on this side right here. So probably see them. Yeah, they're right there. So we're gonna be doing this today. Gutter cleaning. We're starting for the back. Shot back method. Pull down there. I'll need one pull because it's a one-story house. Gutter clean. We're gonna do that first, and then also gonna be doing roof cleaning with our chemical solution right here. Filling up the water tank as well. Always start that off at the beginning. Make sure that it gets filled quickly because it takes forever to fill up 200 gallons worth of water. Also, we're going to be doing a solar panels with a deionized water pump, also with a water-fed pull brush, which should be simple, but we're going to get this all done up here today, get this customer taken care of, and get paid. All right, guys, let's start the time lapse. All right, guys, so I just made it to the backyard. Before we start the time lapse, it's a very tight backyard. So make sure to get the angle that we want to get the roof cleaning done. We brought out the ladder. Also, the biggest scare besides cherry blossom trees for me, and pressure washers and alike, are koi ponds, because you want to make sure none of that chemical gets near the koi pond or the fish, because koi are very expensive, and unfortunately I do not want to replace them. So what we're going to do, we got this handy dandy tarp right here. Before we start doing the roof cleaning process, we're going to cover the koi pond with the tarp, just to ensure that everybody, all the fishies are safe, because they do not want to cause any property damage. Because with anything, plants, fish, fading of paint, anything, so, or fences for that matter too. But yeah, so we're gonna make sure we get that property protection going. So another thing that separates us from other people is we actually care about your property, and you're not gonna damage anything that's not supposed to be damaged. It's never gonna be damaged. But yeah, all right, so now we're gonna start the time lapse. All right, guys, so let's get this big job done quickly. We're gonna be doing the time lapse right here. Again, we've seen gutter cleaning on this channel beforehand. We use a vac and an extension pole that helps suck up everything in the gutters, so we don't have to get up on a ladder, and increases the safety of our operators, and just less liability. It's always better to just stay on the ground if you can. So we're gonna be in the full house. There's almost a full-length gutter. On the backyard here, there is a couple spots where there aren't any gutters, which is awesome. I mean, less work, and your shoulders definitely do get tired after about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's definitely a shoulder workout, getting these gutters cleaned with the vacuum method, but it's a little bit safer. So on this back side, this is going to be the ending of the gutter cleaning. Next, we're going to be doing the roof wash. With the roof wash, again, you want to wet the surface, make sure it's really cooled down, knock off all that debris that can be knocked off with just a rinse, and then spraying that chemical solution. Right here we have a beautiful angle. We set up the tripod on the truck, really able to see that the chemical solution heading up on the roof. We are also wetting down the house and the windows to make sure no none of that bleach gets up on that stuff, and then especially with the windows fogs it up. We were able to step up on this awning right here. It was a very stable surface. Right here is beautiful. You can see the algae go from black to straight yellow, which means it's dying and it's in the process of falling off. We're going to be heading to the side of the house right now for the solar panels, getting those all nice and cleaned. We did the solar panels last because unfortunately, if any chemical got on that glass or the solar panels, we want to make sure that gets rinsed off. All right, guys, it's been Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Also, if you liked any of this content, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend, or maybe even give us a call. Get your property service as well.